Let's make dinner. Chicken curry with mashed potatoes and spinach. For the chicken marinade, I'll be using a quarter cup of natural yogurt, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon each of coriander, garlic, cumin, ginger, turmeric powder, and white pepper, and salt to taste. Mix that until they are well combined. I'll be using these 4 chicken drumsticks. You can use whichever cut of chicken that you like. Rub it in until they are fully coated. Cover with cling film and let it marinate for a few hours in the fridge. In the meantime, let's prepare the potatoes for the mashed. Peel the potatoes evenly all the way around and remove any ice or dips in the potatoes. Depending on the kind of potatoes that you're using and where you got them from, you can cook them unpeeled. Place them on a bowl of water. Wash them thoroughly and dry them. My potatoes are so large, so I'll be cutting them into smaller pieces. The smaller pieces will cook faster and more evenly. That looks perfect. Let's get the chicken. Set that aside as we prepare the sauce. To a food processor, add 1 large red onion, 3 ripe tomatoes, and 5 garlic cloves. Cover and blend until smooth. Scrape the edges to make sure they are all blending evenly and mixing well. Keep blending to your desired smoothness. That looks great for me. Let's head to the stove top. Add the chicken to the pan. Let that cook for about 5 minutes. Flip and let it cook on the other side. After 5 more minutes, add the tomato puree we made. Mix that in until it's well incorporated. Cover and let it cook. If you're enjoying this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. I appreciate that. As that cooks, add the potatoes to the pot. Add water to just cover above the potatoes. Add some salt to taste and mix that in. Cover and let them cook until they are fork tender. Don't forget to check on the chicken curry. Back to the potatoes. They look well done now and ready to mash. Drain the potatoes and place them on a glass bowl. Mash them until smooth. I'm using a potato masher, but you can use a cooking stick or blend using a hand mixer. Once mashed, add some unsalted butter and mix that in. Since the potatoes are still hot, the butter will melt right in. Add some fresh milk a little at a time as you mix. Use a masher and keep mashing as you add the milk to achieve your desired consistency. That looks perfect for me. Add some freshly ground black pepper and mix it in. Back to the curry. It's looking and smelling amazing. Taste to adjust the salt and seasoning. Mine needs a little Garam Masala. Mix that in and simmer for a few more minutes. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to know when I post next. Thank you for being here. Now let's quickly make the spinach. To a pan, add some unsalted butter. Mince in 2 to 3 garlic cloves. Saute that for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Wash and dry the spinach, then add them to the pan. Season with some salt and cook for about 2 minutes or just before the spinach shrink completely. That looks great and is ready to eat. Serve and enjoy this mouth-watering and delicious dinner. It's very filling and easy to make. Check out this video where I make another yummy dinner. See you there.